can you tell me which number 1 and number 5 is? That's it. And what do you know about number 5?
It's a 4 and a 1.
It's a 4 and a 1, yeah. Is there anything else?
A 3 and a 2.
3 and a 2, fabulous. And what do you like about fractions?
It's kind of like how it's a bit tricky and it's like a challenge.
Honestly, if it's a 5-digit number times a 4-digit number, there's all the layers to it. But generally, yeah, I like times tables.
Can you find me number 8? And how do you know that was a number 8?
Because there's a 4 and a 4.
There's a 4 and a 4. There's a double 4 inside. Is there anything else if you look really carefully?
There's a 5 and 3.
There's a 5 and a 3. Can you check that? Can you put the numerical on top to check there's a 5 and a 3? There's a 5 and a 3. What kind of things can you do if you do get stuck?
Ask your friend.
Usually I just keep trying, and then if I need a little bit of help I ask someone like on my table if they can help me.
I would just ask a friend or something who I'm sitting next to, or like, but if I'm like really, if we're both stuck, we'd go and ask the teacher.
5, 10, and then you count from 10 to 10. And you say the same numbers.
You sometimes have the same numbers. So when you're counting 5s and when you're counting 10s, sometimes you meet the same numbers. And 2s. What do you mean?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Ah.
And then 5 and 10, and there's 10 and then 20 and then 30, so they all have 10 in.
What about the challenges?
It's because they're really exciting, and sometimes it takes a while for me, but I still concentrate.
We mark the power maths at the end of the maths lesson, and I generally get all of them right, which it's also kind of nice to know, like, if you got it wrong or right, because usually when we're at tests, I'm like, that night, I'm like, I think I got this wrong. What about that? Did I get it right or wrong?
I would have 10 counters. I'll have with another 10 piece with 10 counters that show the same. And I would have a 5 on another 10 counters. And I'll put 5 counters on it.
So would all your 10 frames be full up?
Yeah. No, not the last one. The last one will have half full. And then the other 2 would have full up. So 20 add 5 equals 25.